I was recently troubleshooting a Mycloud home personal cloud hard drive. What I'm having trouble doing is I'm trying to use it as a plex server, and when it's in the network, the LAN network, it's fine, but when I go outside, out of the local area network, I can't play it on plex. This is the kind of, well, the first issue is I wanted to make sure remote access was turned on, but it's a little difficult using the Mycloud. But anyways, I'm able to actually get it to work using the PC. So here I have a video, Tangled, which I'm going to play. And you'll see that it plays fine. This is off-site. It's not at my house right now. The server's located somewhere else. And just need to wait. You eventually load, I think. There you see it's loading. So I'll stop that. And on my iPad device, it works just fine too. But anything Android is giving me an error. It's just slow today. So PC, iOS, anything iPhone or iPad works fine. It's just a little slow. You can see it eventually loaded. Let me close that. But anything that's Android, like over here, I'm going to try Android, will give me an error. I have a few players loaded. A way to bypass this is to use VLC or one of these other players. I think MX Player or Play Extreme works fine, but I'm going to use Plex. Gosh. eBay, this is so annoying. Use Plex. And it should give me an error. Nothing happened in this case. You can see, finally get the error. An error occurred while playing this video. So as I mentioned before, if you install a VLC player onto your tablet or phone, you can probably get this to work with VLC or something like Player Extreme. And here on my phone, again, let me try playing it. Again on Plex, I'm going to play it. And I'll get the same error message. So I do believe this is an issue with an unsecure connection that can be fixed with like port forwarding, but I don't know if the Mycloud hard drive has a way of setting it easily, and I don't have access to the Mycloud right now. The Mycloud home hard drive, and you can see I'm getting this error. So again, I can get it to work if I instead use VLC player. So on Plex for my Android phone and Android tablet, when I selected VLC player, it actually opened a pop-up that said insecure site. Again, I think my remote settings for port forwarding aren't working exactly correctly. So if you can get a secure connection set up with the Mycloud home hard drive, then you might be able to get past this. But anyways, You can watch videos on your Android tablet or phone using VLC player instead of using the default Plex player. It'll open this site, this pop-up, and just click on View Certificate. Once you open the View Certificate, it'll again say insecure site, but then on the bottom right you can choose to accept permanently or accept for 24 hours the insecure certificate. I grayed out stuff that was private, like IP addresses and whatnot. But once you do that, you should be able to finally see the video using an unsecured connection. This is not a permanent fix. This is just proof of concept that you can get it to work on Android. I'm not sure why on iPad and PC it just shows it without any error messages, or iPhone or iOS devices. So I'm not sure about any of this, but I'm just saying that for Plex with a Mycloud home setup, that's very basic setting, you might run into problems with, what do you call it, the Android Plex not showing the video. And at least when I used a VLC player, it showed me the insecure site error. And it's playing. So that was my issue this weekend using the Mycloud home on Plex. If it's off-site, not on the local area network, any Android device, it won't play with this error. And so instead you'll have to, what's it called, use probably an external player, and you can enable that in your settings. And also, if you're using a Fire Stick, a way around that is possibly using Kodi and then installing Plex on Kodi. This is my Fire Stick, and if I try to run Plex using the Fire Stick, I can't watch some videos off of it, off the remote network. It's off of a Mycloud Western Digital home hard drive. It works when I'm in the network, but when I'm outside the network, it won't work with Plex. I believe it's because it's an unsecured connection. Figuring out how to make it secure for remote connections is kind of difficult, so this is just a temporary solution. You can instead install Kodi, which I did, and then install, what's it called, as an add-on Plex. And if you do that, then you can watch those unsecured videos of the Mycloud home hard drive that's at a remote location, not within the LAN. So these videos here are on a different network than Mycloud home. Over here you can see one thing I wanted to mention is when you do this, it will probably show